Boy, it's being held together by imagination since absolutely every screw has been removed. And there it is. The Fujifilm XT-2 chassis. Yeah, I actually have tape holding it together. You remove all the screws, the cameras generally don't stay together. So I'm holding it together with my fingers. And you can see the huge 10 gauge copper heatsink in the back there. And that little foam pad rests against the processor on the main board. And there we go. There were a lot of rubber gaskets inside that I wasn't expecting to see. Well, I was kind of hoping to see. It's actually very well sealed, including one you might be able to see up there in the top underneath the hot shoe, that orange rubber gasket. Yes, that is a rubber gasket right there. So that's it. I think I'm going to sandblast this and just make it bare magnesium, and then I will epoxy it back together. There's only 3 pieces: top plate, front plate, and back plate. But that's it. Completely disassembled. Fuji! What a masterpiece.